The Bonneville R-3000 building system is really the answer to all the challenges that we've seen over the 50 years. Because we've been in business for over 50 years, we were able to see how our homes react to the harsh weather we have here in Canada. We use a floor truss that is 25% stronger and also twice the width of a normal floor joist. And for us, it's really important because our floors are glued, screwed, and also tugging group. After that, we will enter two 2x6 to make sure that all the trusses are tied together, so all the weight of the object in your house are spread upon many floor trusses. And that will give you a floor that is much more stable. Before we position the wall on our floors, we use an Itafoam, an airtight seal between the floor and the wall. And after the wall has been placed on the floor, we use these 6-inch bolts every 24-inch to tie down all walls on our floor. And this gives us the best attachment possible to avoid any air infiltration in our home. One of the key features of this building system is our insulation. We use cellulose fiber. We've been using cellulose fiber for over 20 years, principally for two reasons. One, because it's very environmentally friendly, and two, because it is very energy efficient. It is 4 times more efficient at soundproofing. It is 70% better for air infiltration, and also 30% more R factor than the standard insulation we see in the traditional homes. You may have the best insulation in your walls. You may have the best quality of windows. If the way you marry your walls with your window is not efficient, you're spending money for nothing. We have developed in this building system a unique way to marry our windows to our walls. We use a foam sealing cord all around the exterior of the window. Then we will then put some insulation, and then we put a second foam sealing cord around all the window towards the inside of the window. So what we are doing exactly is we're creating an air chamber, and then we're insulating it. And this makes sure that it is impossible to have any air infiltration between our walls and our windows. The Bonneville R-3000 building system is also about quality control. There's 15 stations from start to end that our module needs to go through. And before going to the next station, each module is inspected by one of our foremen. He has a checklist of maybe 10, 20, 30 points, all depending on the station. And before this module is allowed to go to the next station, it must be approved by one of these foremen. Now, once this foreman has approved it, then only at this point it can go to the next step. So your house, when it comes out of our factory, has been inspected 15 times each step of the way. So at the end of the day, this house that we are building for you will provide you with a home with greater comfort, a home that is very energy efficient, and also much more environmentally friendly. Bonneville has been a pioneer in the pre-engineered homes since over 50 years, and we're still pushing the limits construction-wise and design-wise.